The error code F62 on a Miele washing machine indicates a malfunctioning program selector, which is the most common cause of this issue, typically resulting from a defective program selector. To resolve this problem, the first step is to reset the machine by turning it off and switching off the circuit breaker, allowing the control board to reset for 10 minutes. After this period, the circuit breaker can be turned back on and the machine's power cord reconnected, followed by starting a new cycle to determine if the error has been resolved. If the error persists, it may be necessary to replace the program selector. Alternatively, the issue might be related to a programming problem, in which case changing the current program settings can be an effective solution. This can be done by pausing the machine using the start or stop button, then canceling the cycle by long pressing the same button. The program selector can then be turned to a new cycle, with adjustments made to speed, soil level, and temperature as needed, before restarting the cycle to see if the error has been resolved. If none of these steps are successful, it is recommended to consult a qualified technician to avoid causing further damage to the washing machine.